Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, I am going to explain how you can do customer management in Jainam Software. So basically different activities that you can do for a customer. So to create a customer in Jainam Software, a customer is always associated with a group or a branch. So first what you need to create is a group or a branch, which can be created through group management, create group, or you can do it through master setup branch hierarchy. You can create branches and groups, or you can create only groups. So once this is done, then you can go to create profile and create a customer using the profile entry form. Now here if you see this select group, so first you need to select the group and start filling all the information. So first you will fill the first name, last name, okay. You will fill the mobile number of the customer. You will fill email if there are any remarks like if he is referred by, or if he is a loan customer, or he is a deposit customer. This is date of birth. Once you fill this tab, you have to move on to the second tab. In the second tab, you will fill all the relation related information like father's name, mother's name, spouse name, father-in-law, mother-in-law name. Then you will go to the guarantor tab. In the guarantor tab, this is basically the first guarantor for the customer. If there is any, you will fill all this. If this customer is referred by some staff of yours, then you can select the staff from here. Okay. This is location. Location is address of the customer. Okay. So basically he is from Bangalore. And then you don't know which area, city or district, you can just enter his PIN code and search. It will show you the exact area which you can select. You can also see the location by putting the latitude and the longitude of the map. Unique IDs are basically filling in the PAN card number. Okay, this is the passport number, the voter ID, driver's license, ration card number, national ID number. Here you can fill the GST number and the Aadhaar card number. Here you can fill the Aadhaar card number. Now income. This is basically if you want to fill the income part of the customer, like if he is salaried, self-employed, what type of income is this, gross or net income. So all income related. If your customer owns any business, you can fill this in the business section. For every deposit customer, you will need a nominee. So all the nominee details can be filled in this section. Then you go to the group. Group is basically will remain the same only, sundry debtors if he is a loan or a deposit customer. But in case you are creating this profile entry form is not for a customer, but say you're creating a guarantor or a co-applicant, in that case the subgroup will change appropriately. Next is the photo tab, where you can upload the photo of the customer, or you can take it through a web camera here as well. Technology is basically, you select the mobile, if what type of mobile is he having. Is he going to do a digital payment for the loan or deposit? And if yes, then what type of digital payment, like is he always going to do the digital payment, or that is high activity, medium activity, sometimes digital, sometimes medium, and only by cash, sometimes digital, sometimes by cash, and low is only by cash. Okay. And then once you filled all these tabs, then only one time you are going to click on this save button. So now you will see here saved file number 8. So we refer to customers as file numbers in Jainam Software. Once the file is saved, what you can do is you can verify the mobile number of the customer by just click on send customer OTP, take the customer OTP, enter it here and verify the customer mobile here. Same way you can do it for guarantor as well. Now once customer is created, how can you search for the customer? You can search the customer with the help of file number, that is F-8, or you can search the customer with his mobile number, or even with his name, first name, last name. So there are various ways you can search the customer. Now once the customer is created, where can you see the list of all the customers? you can see that in profile all list. When you click on refresh, you will see all the customers created in your system. Now also here you will see the file numbers. If you click on the file number, it will take you automatically to the file that you have created. What else can you do? The other things that you can do is you can add follow-up comments for this customer. Say he is a loan customer, or he's a return loan customer. Okay, and you can add different type of follow-up comments where you need to follow up with these customers. You can add a reminder here as well, where in this follow-up, here there is a follow-up report which will show you exactly on that day the follow-up that has to be done. Okay, so it will come here automatically in this report. Now the other things that you can do with the customer's data is you can have different statuses for the customer. See, if you click on comments, you will see the different comments added for the customer, follow-up comments. Now what else can you do? You can have these customers in different statuses. Like for example, you can just give me 1 minute. You can, here different status can be added for the customers, like is the customer open, closed, cancelled, quotation is sent to the customer, or if he has done an advance, if you have received advance from that customer, or if this is a blocked customer, if he is a fraud customer or something, you can block the customer, you can unblock the customer. So there are different statuses you can put this customer in. Okay, and update. For example, say I'm going to put this in closed customer, and I'm going to close this. Now you will see that this customer is closed. So where can you find this report? You can find it in profile summary. If you click on status, you will see that 1 is in closed and 5 is in open. 5 are open. Similarly, whatever status you add, you will get a report here. Okay, the other reports you can take from here is the group report. You will find in every group how many customers are there. You will get a group report here. Also you can get area wise reports. Okay, tag, if you have added any tag to the customer, that is the remarks, then you can get through tag as well. Now the other things that can be done in the customer's file is you can create different types of vouchers for customers. Like say you have received some amount from the customer, so what you have to do is search the customer first through file number or name or mobile number, and then here on the star icon you just have to click on create voucher. Okay, and say you have received 100 rupees from the customer for some loan charges or something. Okay, so you will debit cash of 100, and then you will credit say maybe interest received here, and you will put 100 rupees here. Just add the narration saying that interest received. This is just an example. Okay, and I'm going to save this here. So when this is created, you can also view the party's ledger to see the different types of transactions that are taking place. So if you click on star icon, you will see view party ledger. In view party ledger, you will see the different activities that you have done with this customer. So just now we created a voucher, right? So it is showing here in the party ledger. This party ledger can be sent to the customer. It can be printed and given to the customer. To send an email, just click on this. To take a printout, just click on this icon. Okay, so here if you click here, you can take a printout of it as well. So this is how you can view the party's ledger. Now the next thing that I'm going to concentrate is how you can verify the residence of the customer or employment of the customer. So click on the star icon, click on verify residence. You will get a form, and this particular way you can add, if your agent is at the customer's house, he can get all this information and it can be saved for the customer. Okay, similarly his employment can also be verified through verify employment. So your agent can go to his employment office or to his home and verify this entire employment verification can be done. So friends, this way different types of activities are done in customer management of Jainam software. So you can use this software as a customer management software as well. So thank you so much for watching this video and have a nice day.